And on our farm, there's bunny rabbits. These are the kids' bunny rabbits. They're really tame. Kids play with them all the time, so they're really pets. We just turn them loose so it's summertime and let them eat grass. And kids will catch them here in a couple hours before it gets dark and puts them up before the other animals come out, like the fox and coyote and bobcat, because they'll eat these things. So, but right now they're safe because everyone's out and they're playing. It's really nice to have bunny rabbits. These were all free. Some lady gave them to them. So we took them and we got the room for them. We'll have a lot more animals. My sister's got ducks and chickens now. And we got one cow. That was Dad's cow. We bought that for him for his birthday a couple years when they was sick. He had a lot of plans, so it looks like me and Tonda and my sisters, we're going to take care of all that and get the barns built. Get my sawmill, it's fired up, it's all set up, ready to go. We got a lot of work to do here. There should be some more, or another one somewhere, so it's probably in the barn. Oh, these are the rock pigeons. There's inside the barn. Got a lot of work to do. It's over 100 years old. It was, here I'll zoom in on it. It's all put together with wooden pegs. There's no nails holding the beams or anything. They just took trees back then and flattened one side and put planks over top of it. That's where we used to store hay. We got a lot of work to do. The back half is what we got to work on. Here are the rock pigeons. We have quite a few of them. I don't see any flying around. Oh, there's one. It's right at the opening. Too much glare. But they nest up in the rafters there. Pretty neat old barn. We'll get all siding put on it, all new. We'll probably modernize it, get electricity ran. We already had that trenched, so we trenched my sister's water. We're just sitting here relaxing, watching the bunnies eat. I like that clover. See if I can get one to pet him here. Hey, buddy. I say they're really tame. These kids, they play with them. And that's what tames them down. They'll follow you around too, so you gotta watch it. They'll follow me down the road as I walk. Just a beautiful day. Hope everyone's enjoying it. I'm just looking back out through our field. Peace.